Mojo!
It's time for a Mojo Food Fight, because this time we're going to help you memorise the food tests you need to know. Are you ready? Let's go. Imagine that you have to pass a test to become a member of a gang. They call themselves the Burger Kings, and the test you have to pass is a food fight. That reminds you this story is about food tests. The bell goes for round one. It's the start of the fight. Immediately, someone punches you in the eye-o. That's right, I said the eye-o. You can feel the blue-black bruise starting to swell already. Suddenly, Benedict Cumberbatch appears. Yes, Benedict Cumberbatch, you know, Sherlock Holmes. He throws what looks like a sugar cube at you. But, as he gets closer, you realise that it is in fact a brick. It hits you on the head, and your blood turns the brick red. Before you can recover, an effing old man runs up and smacks you on the lips with his walking stick. Little bits of your teeth fall off, leaving a layer of white lumps on your top lip. Next moment, a couple of young kids, not even teenagers, they're pre-teens. They jump on your shoulders and start to bite your head. The bruises you already have on your head start to go from blue to purple. And that's it. Fight over. You and your food tests remembered. Sorry, what was that? Doesn't make any sense? Oh, okay. Well, let's go through it again more slowly and explain it all. So the fight starts with a punch in the eye-o. Start makes you think of starch, and eye-o, that sounds like iodine. So the test for starch is the iodine test. You get a blue-black bruise around your eye, which reminds you that iodine goes blue-black in the presence of starch. Suddenly, Benedict Cumberbatch throws what looks like sugar at you. The test for sugars is the Benedict's test, get it? But it's a brick, and it turns brick red with your blood. That's because the Benedict's test turns brick red when sugars are present. Next, an effing old man smacks you on the lips with his walking stick. Effing old sounds like ethanol. Lips remind you of lipids. The test for lipids is to use ethanol. You get a layer of white tooth lumps on your top lip, which reminds you that you get a layer of white lipids on the top of the ethanol in the test. Finally, you get jumped on by young kids, pre-teens. Pre-teens sounds like proteins. They bite your head, which sounds a bit like biuret. Biuret is the name of the reagent used to test for proteins. When they bite your head, your bruises turn from blue to purple. And that's the colour change in the biuret reagent when proteins are present. Blue to purple. Does that make a little more sense now? Let's see. Have a go at filling these gaps. Think of the story, and from that work out the biology, not the other way round. Pause the video and restart when you're ready. Here are the answers. And that's it. But you haven't finished yet. Don't go anywhere without doing the quiz and the worksheets below. And please make sure you redo all this when we send you a reminder. It'll really make this food test content stick. Meanwhile, thanks for using your imagination.